In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook inbox view. This is a quick and simple process that will only take a few minutes and is a great way to customize your email experience so it works best for you. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate over to Microsoft Outlook. If you're working from your computer, open up your preferred web browser and enter Outlook's URL into the address bar. It's important to make sure you're using the latest version of Microsoft Outlook for the best experience. Once you've reached the Outlook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the site. Here you'll spot the sign in option. Click on it to begin the process of logging into your Outlook account. If you already have your login page open, you might see the sign in prompt immediately. After you've clicked sign in, it's time to enter your email address and password. It's important to ensure you're inputting the correct details here to avoid any access issues. Once you've done this, hit the sign in button and you'll be directed straight to your inbox. Now that you're looking at your inbox, let's get into changing your view. Along the top of the page, you'll notice several options. Look for one that says layout, give that a click. This is where you can begin to personalize how your emails are displayed. As you click into layout, you'll notice different sections available for customization. Keep your attention on the option named Reading Pane. Hover over this section to reveal several choices in a drop-down menu. These choices allow you to adjust how your emails are previewed, such as by changing the position of the pane or deciding whether to display it at all. Take a moment to explore the options given in this drop-down. You might find that you prefer having your reading pane on the right, which provides a preview while still keeping your list of messages visible. Alternatively, you might opt for a bottom reading pane, or even choose to hide it entirely for a minimalistic inbox appearance. Select whichever option you find suits your workflow the best. Once you've made your choice, your inbox view will adjust to reflect this new layout immediately. You'll notice how your emails are now organized according to your preferences, making it easier for you to read, access, and manage your messages. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to modify your Outlook inbox view. Taking a little time to personalize your setup can make a big difference in your overall email management efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.